Well, getting kids away from their electronic devices and outdoors to play, that was one of the focuses of Youth Jamm this weekend in Pahoa. KITV4's Jeremy Lee is now on Hawaii Island. He tells us about how this weekend event could be a blueprint for positive community bonding. Jeremy?
With the torrential rain that we had last night, it's easy to forget here on the east side of the Big Island that there was sunshine over the weekend. It was ideal conditions for the annual Youth Jamm in Pahoa. And here, it was all about empowering young people.
For the kids, they're going to go around and collect 5 different colored dots.
And it was off to the races for these youngsters, making their way around the Pahoa Recreation Center grounds from booth to booth. The graphic design for the scavenger hunt put together by these young adults.
The kids who get these Jamm passes, they can go and get a dot from the cultural practitioners by doing the activities that the practitioners have.
The event has been sponsored over the last several years by Men of Pa'a, an organization committed to inspiring clean, productive living. Founder Iopa Mauna Kea says it's all about fostering the next generation of youth.
There we go.
And just giving them good information that they need so that we can help make them thrive, creating a safe place for them to thrive.
Here at the Red Sticker Station, Kai Manor told KITV4 the message was mindfulness and boundaries for kids with their online activities.
Unlimited access to technology, you'll find a lot of conflict occurs. You know, it's like kids get off your technology, but then the parent goes and watches Netflix for 6 hours straight. Like, that's not good modeling. What is good modeling is getting off of Netflix, telling kid, hey, we're gonna go outside, have some fun, go kick ball or something, and that's what I'm here to promote.
The organizing team says they want to see events like this spring up in surrounding communities, bringing together faith organizations, community groups, and clubs.
We're planning to go around Hawaii Island though.
Take this to different districts, like Kohala, Kono, Ka'u.
Yeah, we're just blessed to be here with the youth. I mean, there's a lot of great organizations coming together today, and everything from cultural practitioners to churches to youth outreach organizations. I mean, this is a beautiful event for Pahoa.
All they want is somebody to listen to them. And so that's what we're doing. We're listening to our youth. Our youth was the one that actually engaged this project. They asked Uncle for help. Uncle said, sure, let's go and let's do it. And here we are.
It was about kids, it was about families, and promoting healthy habits for adults. The event also featured this health fair with several booths indoors promoting health screenings and much more. Now, Mauna Kea's nephew actually helping lead a research project that aims to learn how diabetes affects the native Hawaiian population, understanding early determinants of diabetes risk.
We're looking at comparing people who have diabetes versus people who are not diabetic, and those in between, what we call pre-diabetes, and understanding what are the leading factors that could be contributing to the pre-diabetic state, which genes are turned off or on. Modulators of that in the environment that affect how our genes work at the end of the day, that could be leading towards disease risk, or actually resilience to disease. So we're looking at both factors.
Native Hawaiians who are eligible can participate in this study. You will have to provide a stool sample. It is a paid study. Now, more info can be found through UH and by scanning the QR code that actually appears in this story. We will have much more info available on this and this story online. Now, stay tuned to KITV4 as we continue to bring you coverage directly from the Big Island in the future. Reporting live, Jeremy Lee on the Big Island in Pahoa.